Is it worth using the Litchi with the Spark? So as always, you go into your settings, check your Wi-Fi. Right, so the Spark's come up. Connect it. Now another little tip is, if you've done it for the first time, it's going to ask you for the password. And the password obviously is 1234 1234. So that can get you connected. So I'm connected. So we come out of that. We go into the Litchi app. Okay, so we've got a picture, which is good. We're all ready to take off. I've got 15 satellites, this is even better, considering we're on Wi-Fi. So I'm going to put on the camera.
Recording started.
Recording started. Okay, so the quality on my screensaver is not going to be brilliant because obviously, as you can see, I'm away from it. Now somebody's going to say, why don't you use the... Right, I'm going to do take off now anyway, we'll just see what happens. Okay, so I just had a go on the Litchi app. It didn't go to plan. The following mode didn't work. The orbit I had a problem with, which I usually do anyway. Didn't try the waypoints. Didn't really see a point of it, but by then the app had crashed anyway. Now Litchi has already done a new update to sort some bugs out. I don't know if it was for the Spark as well, but me personally, this is my opinion, guys, not many houses, this is my opinion, I don't see the point of using the Litchi for the Spark. The Spark's geared up for the DJI Go4 app. It's got obviously the gesture modes, it's got the quick shots, it's got all those modes on the quick shots you're not going to get on here. Okay, so there's a couple of things on there that you won't get on there. Obviously one of them's follow me, but then you got active track. You've got waypoints, well that's like tap and fly in a sense. Yeah, I mean to me, I won't be using the Litchi on the Spark. But on the Phantoms, definitely yes. But on the Spark, I don't see the point. So, hope you enjoyed that. It's only a quick one. I'm just going to quickly show you on the Go4 app, just some of the things they got on there. And as I always say, keep watching, fly safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.